નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 4th Subject Environment Chapter number 11 In the Orchard Part 1.
Good morning, students. How are you all? See, you all know that there are different types of plants. So plants are classified into like herbs, shrubs, trees, climber, creepers, etc. Okay, and how they are classified? So they are classified on the basis of their stem or trunk. Okay, for example, the plants which have a thick stem, thick and woody stem, it is called a tree, and a plant who has a thin woody stem, it is called shrubs, and a plant with a green and soft stem, it is called as a herbs. And climber, you all know that climber is a plant which can't grow without any support, means that plant needs a support to grow. Okay, so these are the different types of the plant. Okay, and see, without our backbone we can't stand straight, right? So like that only, roots are the backbone of the plants. Without roots, plant can't stand straight, it will fall down, right? So in this chapter we will learn more about the plants, different types of flowers. Okay, so now let us start our chapter number 11, that is in the orchard. Okay, what is meaning of the orchard? Orchard means the garden in which you can find many flowers, different types of fruits, then vegetables. Okay, that is called the orchard. Okay, so now let us start our chapter number 11, that is in the orchard. So this chapter begins with the story of a girl. Her name is Ratan. Okay, so Ratan is studying in standard 4, just like you. Okay, and during her holidays she has went to the village with her grandfather. Okay, so at one morning she went to the orchard with her grandfather. Okay, so when her grandfather was giving grass to the cow and buffalo and ox, Ratan went inside the orchard. Okay, and what she has seen in the orchard? So she has seen different flowers, then sapling of vegetables. Sapling means जो छोटे छोटे पौधे होते हैं ना वेजिटेबल्स के, दैट इज कॉल्ड sapling. Okay, then climbers, all these things she has seen in the orchard. Okay, and she has also seen the plants of different grains and pulses. Okay, so how beautiful were the roses in the pot. Do you know? They are red, yellow, pink and white. However, in one of the pots there was a very little banyan tree. Okay, so there were roses in the pot also. So what are the colors of the roses? That is red, yellow, pink and white. Okay, and there is one small banyan tree also. See, Ratan has not seen all these plants in the city, but she can see all these things in the villages. So when she saw all these things, she was very much surprised. Okay, now imagine, now close your eyes and imagine that you are in such a place where you can see different flowers and fruits and vegetables. Then what will be your experience? You will feel very happy and pleased, na? Okay. So now here it is asked that how many differently colored flowers you have seen. Write their names. Okay. So here you have to write the color of the different flowers that you have seen. So here they have asked about 8 flowers. So the number 1 is yellow, red, white, then pink, purple, orange, okay, then blue, and the last one is black. Okay, so these are the colors of the flowers that I have seen. If you have seen many other flowers of different colors, then you can write it here also. Yellow, red, white, pink, purple, orange, blue and black. Okay, if you have seen more colored flowers, then you can write that color also. Clear everyone? Now see, in your house also you can see many of the things that have the design of the flower, like curtains, then cushion covers, bed sheet. Okay, so here in this chapter there is also given one picture. Now look at this picture. What you can see in this picture? You can see the pattern of flower in this picture. So what is this picture of? This is the picture of tapestry. What is tapestry? So in Gujarati it is called chakro, right? So your mother might be knowing. If there is in your house, ask your mother, she will show you. Okay, and this is specially made by the people living in the Kutch. Okay, it is one type of embroidery which is made by the hand. Okay, so this design of flower is done by the people of the Kutch very skillfully. Skillfully means kusalta se. Okay, such designs you can see on the cushion covers and bed sheets, then purse, bags, etc. Okay, clear everyone? Okay. So here we have seen that Ratan has seen so many flowers in the orchard, right? Like that only you have also might seen so many flowers around you or in the garden, anywhere else, right? So here in this chapter there are given some of the pictures of the flowers. You have to recognize which flower is this. Okay, so there are 9 pictures, but among them we will solve in this video 3 pictures. So rest of the 6 pictures you have to recognize by yourself. Okay, now let us see this first picture. So which flower is this? Do everyone know? Yes, this is the flower of hibiscus. Okay. Now the next flower, see the picture. You all might know this flower. Which is this? Yes, it is the rose, right? Now let us see the third picture. Do you all know which is this flower? Yes, it is the sunflower. Okay, so rest of the 6 flowers you have to recognize by yourself. Okay, so now there is given one table. Okay, now let us see the table. So the first column is about detail, the next is name of the flower, and the second is also name of the flower. Okay, so the first one is grow on trees. So you have to write the name of flowers that grow on trees. So that is Gulmohar and flame of forest. Okay. next is grow on bushes. So which are the flower that grow on bushes? So that is periwinkle and rose. Okay. The next is grow on climber plant. Okay, climber means the plant which cannot grow without any support. Okay, so which are the flowers? That is bougainvillea and tuberose. Okay, grow on aquatic plant. Aquatic plant means the plant that will grow in water. It is called aquatic plant. Okay, so which are the flowers? Lotus and kumudini. You must all have seen the lotus plant, right? Where you can find lotus? You can find lotus only in a pond. Okay, so in the pond there is the water. So this is the aquatic plant. Okay, bloom only at night means in this plant you can see the roses only at the night time. That is tuberose and hersinger. Okay. The next is bloom in the day and close at night. Means the flower in this plant, it will bloom at in the daytime and the flower will close at the night. Okay. So which are the flowers? Lotus and sunflower. Okay. Now the rest of the three you all try to write by yourself. Okay. In the Zoom meeting we will discuss about the rest of the three later. Okay. But first you all try to solve these three by yourself. Okay. Now there is something written. You have so much information. Now tell that are there any tree or plants which never have any flowers? Find out and write. So now in this you have to write the name of plant which do not have flowers. Okay. So have you seen any plant which don't have any flowers? Yes, there are some flower plants. See, yes, bushes of henna and hansraj as well as money plant and betel leaf creepers never have flowers. Okay, so these are the plants which do not have any flowers. Okay, clear everyone? Now see this board. What is written on this board? Do not pluck flowers. Okay, so have you seen this type of board anywhere? Yes, you can see this board in the garden. Okay, there it is written do not pluck flower means you don't have to pluck flowers from the garden. Okay, so this is the instructions given by you. So, given to you. Okay, do people pluck flowers even when this board is there? So yes, there are some people who don't follow the rules and still they pluck the flowers from the gardens. Why do people do this? So people do this because they don't like to follow any rules. Okay, what would happen if everybody plucked the flowers? So imagine if we all started plucking the flowers, then what will happen? Then one day we will not find any of the flower around us. So because of this there will be no colorful scenery around us or the good fragrance given by the different flowers also we can't smell, na? Right? So, should the people who are plucking the flowers, they should pluck it? No, we should not pluck them because we should save our environment, right? Now, the next is blooming birds. Okay, so you all have seen flowers around you, but do you know where do the flower comes from? It comes out from the birds. Birds means it is not birds, it is buds, birds. What is birds? So in Gujarati we say na kadi, right? So from the bird, after 4 or 5 days the flower will bloom out. Means from the bird the flower will come out after 4 or 5 days. Okay, so the first form of the flower is bud, and after the bud you can see the flower. Okay, here is a question. What difference do you find between a flower and a bud? So let us see the difference. So now let us see the answer. So petals in a bud are shut and closely packed. Petals means pattiyan. Okay, so in a bird we cannot see the petals of the birds. Why? Because they are covered with a green leafy structure. Okay, so that's why we cannot see petals in a bird. While in flowers they are open. Okay, but in flowers we can see the petals. Okay, the flower is larger than bud. Okay, because bud is only packed like this, so it is very small like this. But when it opens and converts into a flower, so the flower is larger than bud, and a flower blooms from bud. Okay, so where does the flower comes from? The flower comes from the bud. Clear everyone this answer? Okay, now let us see one more table, that is on various uses of flower, means where the flowers are used. So now let us complete this table. So here the first column is for uses of flower. In the second column one example is given and the other example you have to write. Okay, so the first one is as food. So which flower is used as a food? So the first one is given gulkan, and for making vegetable. Okay, so from the flower we can make these two things, gulkan and vegetable. And which flower is used for making vegetable? So that is banana flower. It is used as a vegetable. So next is as a medicine. Okay, so rose water and for skin disease. So some of the flowers they are used in the skin disease also. So the next is to make color. Okay, so here it is given beauty monosperm. In easy language it is said kesuro or palash. Okay, so this is the scientific name of that thing. Okay, and which flowers are used to make color? So rose and gulmohar are used to make color. Okay, in the song. So in some of the songs there is the descriptions about the flower also. See here given flowers everywhere in the garden in my head. Okay, so we have to write. See, in Hindi song we have seen one song on the flower, that is Phool Ahista Feko. That is one Hindi song based on flower. Now the next is for decoration. So what flowers we use for decoration? The rose is given. Here you have to write mogra and marigold. Okay, clear everyone? So next is puja. Okay, so here they have given the two blanks. For perfume and puja, both the columns example you have to write. Okay, so first of all, you all try to solve these two things by yourself. Okay, clear everyone?
Thank you for joining us.